Now, so happy Sunday, my people. So it's your boy, you already know, JB Nice, aka Soup Not the Rain, the latest comedian in town right now. So this morning, I just want to entertain my fans with small comedy. Understand? So, what did they happen now? Be saying, you know, so if I come out, say at the verse, I don't know why the verse. This morning, I'm at the verse. Yes, at the verse. You know why the verse? Why be say waiting not support the rain? Now they rain for Nigeria. Something will not support the rain. Now they rain for Nigeria. Why? You will ask me why. Now Nigeria, see, waiting not they useful. People will buy them, and you know say the thing not they useful. And this thing when I want to tell you now, most of you never know this thing before, but I want to tell you now. Why be say person will go market, he go leave Ghana must go. He will go buy luggage 10,000, and that luggage not dey useful. Person will buy luggage come house. If you want travel go Lagos, he will use wheelbarrow carry luggage. Luggage get tired, he will use wheelbarrow carry luggage go road, go enter keke napep or enter bike. If you want reach where they go for Lagos, he will still call that his sister or that his brother, say make he help her carry wheelbarrow come out, make take carry load. He will carry wheelbarrow come out, he will still use them carry the luggage enter house. Okay, tell me what will be the use of the luggage? Now only in Nigeria you will see person will buy luggage, he will use them for more than 10 years or 20 years. The luggage will start at the tire never fire. You go ask her why this thing be like this. You say, you know say road no good now. Okay, you know say road no good, but you go count 10,000 take buy luggage. You know they roll on. What will be the need? Why would they waste money? You know how many Ghana must go there inside that luggage? Buy Ghana must go now. Why we call the phone? Waiting not support the rain. If they do and make the car go. Tell them say we not need them because road no day to roll luggage. Buy Ghana must go. You just know say that Ghana must go now you buy. Use we buy to carry Ghana must go. Go where you they go. Okay, see that day now. I want go visit for Nigeria. Now I can use nylon pack my load. My guy come see me for him, say, where they go? I say, I want to go visit, I want to go greet my parents. He say, now you can use nylon pack your load. Now I say, any need? What you want make? You say, why you not use luggage? Now if you buy luggage now, luggage dey 30 euro, now you buy like 6. Can you imagine? I can go buy luggage 6. I feel roll out for here because now Europe now they suppose get luggage. I will roll out for here, come enter bus. Okay, if I come down for airport now for Nigeria, people dey there where they roll luggage, where they carry am, they will carry am for there, help you carry am for wheelbarrow, carry luggage for wheelbarrow, put am for motor. From there, go your house, go drop am for compound. What will be the need of the luggage? You not get useful now. And only Nigeria, something go dey, they not go value am. But if you come Europe country, they go value am. Now we get orange. If you talk about orange, if you talk about say now, if you talk about orange. Now we get them. Fruit, now we get them. They're not really cool. No, the pawpaw they waste for Nigeria. Orange they waste. Cashew, different fruit today. Naturally, they waste. They don't value because they get them. But maybe say, the one we go investment now, if they go call Euro country for here, they say they don't put her for carton, they call her juice, orange juice, pineapple juice, mango juice. People don't get fridge where they store and put. They will buy and store for the fridge. For Nigeria, you know, go see food for person fridge. Even that time when 5 Alive they rain, they don't buy you when you buy 5 Alive drink. But now we get and when the investment they will come, if they come carry our orange, carry our apple, mango, everything, come put water, join and put her for carton, they will call her foreign. Our outings again, they call her foreign. We won't get another color for it. You know, say this life now, I don't get hope. You get hope when I get now. Not even the make herself now, no one even make her again. As I say, they say if you not do ritual now, you know, will make all those things. You know, see, even we self, they don't use most of people in this country, this Europe. You know, see, they don't use the do ritual. What is different for person when we say they do ritual? Their family they make the person when use and do ritual they get money, they spend money for family. What is different for the person when the European we don't get document for 30 years and they don't get document, but the same money go Nigeria. That one not be ritual. They don't usually do ritual with that. The only different way they say they feel they call your family. Just imagine say they come on phone for your hand. You know they call again, but you the same money go. They don't usually do ritual, you don't know. Na him make if person die for this Europe or he die for Libya, you know they pay your parents for body like the one wey dey with her for house. That one wey dey follow her dey sleep for house, so that your junior one wey dey follow her dey sleep, wey be say na that one dey help am. If that one die now, e dey pain am because na him be helper, na dey help am. You wey dey the far country, e just be like say they no for 10 years, 20 years, 30 years now we never see am. If you just die, wetin dey pay them for body for inside be say you that money no go come again. No be say they value you again like that. Because the country don't kidnap us. You know, say this life now don't get hope. You get why? Because if they are not listening and say, if not by waiting, person do, then they will take Georgia. You know, say they say person when commit suicide, that one a hellfire they go because you don't get right to take your whole life. Nah. But I want to tell you, not the only person now when you use rope to take a life, not be only that one. People did when take their whole life by themselves, but they don't know. I want to tell you now. Anybody when die for water for Libya, now he take his whole life. I couldn't wonder. I say, okay, person when die for that water now, it will say that the reason, the way they reason now. Now be say they don't blame themselves. Say, okay, that day when they 120,000 they beg Koneshoma now. Now be say they even they beg and say, Koneshoma I beg, kill me. Now be say you use your own money, they beg Koneshoma make kill you. I beg Koneshoma now, I beg kill me now, I won't die, kill me. You don't know say that kill me, but you the tell us I beg, I won't cross. For people who die, not be we won't survive. I dey talk now. Like people who die now. So that time now, so now beg when they beg Koneshoma now, kill me now, you will they beg for. People you they I beg now, 140 I get, kill me. Because Koneshoma will say you must bring 150. At the end of the day, you go find the 150 come. That 150 now, if you go find a come, you will come use a, they will come use and push you. You understand? If they go and push you now, I don't know, maybe that person go die. Meaning, so that beg when they beg is there now kill me now you they beg for. They use your own money, they beg say kill me because if you don't pay, you know will push you. Meaning now you beg, now you pay for your debt. You know, so maybe they use blame because of money. We don't. Many people don't they take their life by themselves, but they don't know they will say now hustle. You know, but I don't still get hope. We get why because you know see that time when they village they say. If you see the newborn pikin, if you find, they will say, if I will for the life when if I come before. But you see, if you don't find now, if you don't find like me, when they talk now, you say we don't me now not find. You know, say like me now, I get hope. You get why? Because they say if as I don't find now, the next life when I will come now, I will be fine boy. As I never make and I not get money like this now. Now we say the next life now when I will come now. I will get money past Dangote. But the only thing where I could think, I dey pity Dangote and him money. All those people will get money. I dey pity them. I just imagine and say, okay, now I not get money like this now. The next life now will get money past Dangote. Okay, maybe say the next life now when Dangote will come now, or him money, all those one will get money now. Maybe say the next life when they will come now. Now suffer. Just imagine say in the next life when they will come now. The suffer now when them that go to this one when they chop money now won't suffer now. Maybe say person like him money now you from Benin carry foundation from Benin they dig foundation to Ore he never dig and finish. The person like Dangote now to get money this now man. Maybe say I know even sure say you go feel even get out when you go to sleep the next life. Oh good day. I was saying I saw the life being because they say if you first get for that word what the first see as you come you know go get but many. After this life, now, if another life still there again, maybe if we die another life there again, meaning we will come get that time. Meaning people will get now, they not go get for that time. Not say hope day. No say. So I beg. Maybe we take them easy the way to define money. Na comedy, na joke. So maybe we take them easy the way to define money. Because this money I don't take as say you even define this money. Why? Now because of woman. Even the woman self when make we define the money safe. Now they wicked pass. You don't know how many women person don't kill. You don't know how many men women don't kill. Ample when kill abacha. Ample when kill abacha. Now woman. Sansi for inside Bible now woman. But we see they do ritual. I want to make money to make your family, to make your wife happy. You know, see this life when we dinner. You know, see this life now when we dinner. If I tell you, see this country when we dinner, people they suffer for this country. You know, they let their talk come out. For me, oh, you see this country, this Europe when we dey talk now, forget say we get document money matter. My guy, even you see you even get the money safe now, you get money for Europe safe, you no get peace, that one a life. See that life when person live for village that time. I even like that life. Oh, that time when person dey village, if you go outside, if you come, your man give you food. If you do just dinner, by now, even people when we live for Nigeria now safe, they don't even make a pass us all day. Even see the form say now you get money for here now, but document not dey to go, and you be like say they kidnap you. Hey, I beg my people, more take am easy. This your boy GB9, aka Soup No Dey Rain. I beg support me. This my YouTube channel. GB9, just type am GB9, you will see my YouTube channel for there, or Soup No Dey Rain, you will see me. If you never see me before, subscribe for my YouTube channel, like, share my video. I beg, please, I love you all. One love.